Are you an audiophile looking to boost your car's audio performance with the best AMP wearing kit? Finding the right kit can make a significant difference in sound quality and system efficiency. Whether you are upgrading your existing setup or building a new one, choosing the right wearing kit is crucial for achieving optimal sound performance and durability. In today's video, we are diving into the top 7 AMP wearing kits that stand out in terms of quality, usability, and performance. Let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have the Bose Audio Systems Kit 2 Amplifier Wearing Kit. This kit is an excellent choice for those looking to enhance their car audio system. This kit comes with a comprehensive selection of high-quality cables and accessories designed to ensure optimal performance and reliability. The 8-gauge power and ground cables are made from high-purity copper, ensuring efficient current transfer and minimal signal loss. The kit includes a 17-foot power cable, a 3-foot ground cable, and 17-foot remote turn-on wear, and a 20-foot RCA cable providing ample length to suit various installation needs. This includes fuse holder, and fuse offers essential protection against electrical faults. The construction of the cables is robust, featuring a durable, flexible design that makes installation easier and more efficient. The connectors are gold-plated, which enhances connectivity and reduces signal interference. This wearing kit is designed to handle up to 600 watts of power, making it suitable for most aftermarket amplifiers. Overall, the Bose Audio Systems Kit 2 offers great value for its price, combining reliability and performance in a well-rounded package. It's a solid choice for upgrading the audio system without breaking the bank.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
At number 2, we have KISSL 46 KISSL OC2 Line Output Converter. This product is a versatile and high-performance tool for anyone looking to integrate an aftermarket amplifier with their factory audio system. This line output converter is designed to handle the signal conversion process smoothly and efficiently. One of the standard features of this model is its ability to convert high-level speakers outputs to low-level RCA signals, which is crucial for adding an aftermarket amplifier to a factory system. The KISSL 46 KISSL OC2 is equipped with a built-in variable level adjustment, allowing users to fine-tune the output levels to match the amplifier's input sensitivity. The build quality of the KISSL 46 KISSL OC2 is top-notch with a steady aluminum housing that ensures durability and heat dissipation. The unit includes a convenient harness that simplifies the installation process and ensures a secure connection. With its compact design, the 46 KISSL OC2 can be easily hidden behind your dashboard and under your seats. In terms of performance, the KISSL 46 KISSL OC2 delivers clean and precise signal conversion, enhancing the overall sound quality of your audio system. It is a reliable choice for those seeking an efficient solution for integrating an aftermarket amplifier with a factory radio setup. Next up at number 3, we have Skar Audio 4-gauge Amplifier Wearing Kit. This kit is engineered for high performance and durability, making it a top choice for audiophiles seeking to upgrade their car audio system. This kit includes all the essential components required for a successful installation. The power and ground cables in this kit are made from oxygen-free copper, which ensures excellent connectivity and minimal signal loss. The 17-foot power cable and 3-foot ground cable are both highly flexible, making them easy to route and install in various vehicle configurations. The kit also includes a 3-foot remote turn-on wear and a high-quality RCA cable for superior signal transmission. One notable feature of the Skar Audio kit is its durable and protective outer insulation, which safeguards the cables from wear and tear while maintaining flexibility. The included fuse holder and fuse offer critical protection for your amplifier and audio system. The Skar Audio 4-gauge amplifier wearing kit is designed to handle up to 1500 watts, providing ample power for even high-performance amplifiers. With its high-quality construction and comprehensive components, this kit offers exceptional value and reliability for serious audio enthusiasts. The number 4 position is held by TOPSTRONGGEAR 4-gauge AMP Kit. This kit is a high-quality option for those seeking a reliable and comprehensive wiring solution for their car audio system. This kit is designed to offer excellent performance and durability, making it a great choice for both amateur and professional installers. The kit features 17 feet of 4-gauge power cable and 3 feet of 4-gauge ground cable, both made from high-purity oxygen-free copper. This ensures efficient current flow and minimal resistance, which is crucial for maintaining sound quality and system performance. Additionally, the kit includes a 3-foot remote turn-on wear and a high-grade RCA cable suitable for signal transmission. One of the highlights of the TOPSTRONGGEAR kit is its robust insulation, which protects the cables from physical damage and heat. The included fuse holder and fuse provide essential protection against electrical faults, ensuring the safety of your amplifier and audio components. The TOPSTRONGGEAR 4-gauge AMP kit is designed to handle up to 1200 watts, making it suitable for a wide range of amplifiers and audio setups. With its reliable performance and high-quality components, this kit is a solid investment for enhancing your car's audio system. The number 5 position is dominated by RD True 4-gauge car audio cable. This cable is an exceptional choice for those looking to build or upgrade their car audio system with high-quality wiring. This kit is designed to offer superior performance and reliability, making it a popular choice among audiophiles. The power and ground cables in this kit are made from 100% pure oxygen-free copper, which provides excellent conductivity and low resistance. The 17-foot power cable and 3-foot ground cable are both highly flexible and easy to route, ensuring a straightforward installation process. One of the standard features of the RD True kit is its durable insulation, which protects the cables from damage and heat while maintaining flexibility. The included fuse holder and fuse offer critical protection for your amplifier and audio system, preventing potential electrical issues. With a power handling capacity of up to 1500 watts, the RD True 4-gauge car audio cable is suitable for a variety of amplifier setups. Its high-quality construction and performance make it a reliable choice for enhancing your car's audio experience. Next up at number 6, we have Muzata 10-gauge amplifier installation kit. This kit is designed for those seeking a compact and efficient wiring solution for their car audio system. This kit is ideal for smaller amplifiers and provides excellent performance and ease of installation. The kit includes 17 feet of 10-gauge power cable and 3 feet of 10-gauge ground cable, both made from oxygen-free copper. This ensures optimal conductivity and minimal signal loss. The kit also comes with a 3-foot remote turn-on wire and a high-quality RCA cable for signal clarity. The Mosata kit features durable insulation that protects the cables from physical damage and heat. The included fuse holder and fuse offer essential protection for your amplifier, preventing potential electrical issues. Despite its smaller gauge, the Muzata 10-gauge amplifier installation kit is designed to handle up to 600 watts, making it suitable for less demanding amplifier setups. Its compact design and reliable performance make it a great choice for those looking to upgrade their audio system with a smaller amplifier. Last but certainly not least, finally at number 7, we have the S18AK4 Complete AMP Installation Wiring Kit. This kit offers a comprehensive solution for those looking to achieve top-notch audio performance in their vehicle. This kit is designed to provide everything you need for a successful amplifier installation, making it a popular choice among audiophiles. The kit features 17 feet of 4-gauge power cable and 3 feet of 4-gauge ground cable, both made from high-purity oxygen-free copper. This ensures efficient current transfer and minimal signal loss. Additionally, the kit includes a 3-foot remote turn-on wire and a high-quality RCA cable for optimal signal transmission. One of the key features of the DS18AK4 kit is its robust insulation, which protects the cables from damage and heat while maintaining flexibility. The included fuse holder and fuse offer critical protection for your amplifier, ensuring the safety of your audio system. With a power handling capacity of up to 1500 watts, the DS18AK4 Complete AMP Installation Wiring Kit is choosing the right AMP wiring kit can make all the difference in achieving optimal sound quality and system performance. Each of these kits we have reviewed today offers unique features and benefits catering to different needs and setups. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and audio tips. See you in the next video.